Alrighty, so just in case you were wondering what came in the rugged bundle, I've got here the Autel Robotics case. Wait a second, this is not right. This is actually the one you get if you buy shit overseas. This is the rugged bundle case you get if you buy something here in America. Let's get started. What's good, everybody? Ken here. You're watching Original Dobo, and in today's video, I am going to show you what comes in the rugged bundle case. Well, sort of what you can put in the rugged bundle case that you get if you order the case here in the States. This is a case made by GPC, a case manufacturer that needs absolutely no introduction. So with that being said, let me go ahead and show you this case. This thing is pretty big. It's a lot bigger than the version that Autel was selling. Let me try to get it up here for, yeah. So here's the Autel case for comparison. And you can see that this thing is, I guess I got to sort of angle them like this. The case that GPC is offering for the Americanized rugged bundle cases is freaking absolutely massive. So there are some key differences. Let me show you what Autel was trying to offer with this for the over the seas shipments, I guess. I guess if you bought it in China, you were getting this. This is the foam that came inside, and you can see you got, you know, it's okay. The latches were a little finicky, and the case smelled like cat piss. So if you like cat piss, then you would have loved this original case. I don't like cat piss smell. And I just fucked that USB cable up. But I don't like cat pee smell. So luckily GPC cases don't smell like cat pee. Here it is. Simple, clean latches that we know and love. And let's go ahead and open this up. Ooh, that's nice. That is nice. Alrighty, so what do we get in this box? Well, technically speaking, when you order a rugged bundle, you're not going to get 2 batteries. You're only going to get 1 additional battery. I have 3 batteries. Actually, I have 4 batteries in here. So you're going to get a battery in the drone. There's not a battery in the drone. What are you doing, Ken? Let's put a battery in the drone. So you'll get the drone, 1 battery, obviously your charger and your case. That's what comes in the rugged bundle. So a little bit more of a mellow rugged bundle, but obviously with 40 minutes of flight time, you don't need quite as much. Okay, so you have a spot here for your drone. You got a spot here for a battery. Like I said, you can fit multiple batteries, and actually you can fit up to 1, 2, 3 batteries, 4 batteries if you have 1 in the drone. A spot for your controller. Then you have a battery charging spot, and you actually have a spot as well for the charging hub as well when that becomes available. There's also an area here in which you can slide the live deck in, which is great. And there's also some other miscellaneous areas in here as well. When we take this top piece off, it reveals the bottom, in which I actually have a full-size iPad Pro in here because I know a lot of people like iPad Pros and they want to use them. You also have some gear slots here, so if you want to put some ND filter kits, you can put those under there. There's also a little bit of a map here that can sort of give you an idea of what's going to go in here. So you can see area number 9, live deck, like I suspected. You have a spot for the antenna for the live deck. So it gives you a breakdown of what you can fit in here. This case is the biggest case, the most robust case that they have ever made for a rugged bundle. There's not another manufacturer that is putting out a case that is quite this robust. And quite frankly, I like it. I'm just going to set this off to the side here. So as we look over the material that they've chosen, GPC foam is always top notch. It just feels very well cut. Nothing's, really super squishy, and it's just made to really cup the drone and keep it very well protected, which I think is really important. And the fact that there is so many different slots for all the different gear that you can use and utilize with your Evo, I think is great. I love the way that this mounts on the controller as well. Something that I complained about with the original case, the non-GPC case, that I felt like it was a little bit sloppy around the controller, and I always felt like I could potentially break the sticks. That issue's gone with the GPC case. You also get that nice little Autel branding there. But yeah, I like this. I think it looks really great. I like how they have the Evo in here. It's a lot easier to get in and out. and it's got all the nice protection in there for the drone, like perfectly well fitted, which is pretty darn cool. So it's a very well-made case. Like I said, it can fit 4 batteries in there, no problem. I also like how the batteries go in there now. I used to hate how the batteries would have to go down through the center like that. It always made it a pain in the ass to get them out, but now I can just sort of lay them in here just like that, which is a nice touch. I think this looks great. So you're probably wondering to yourself, when is the Rugged Bundle available? Well, you're in luck. The Rugged Bundle starts shipping next week. We should have our units in. Now, Monday is a holiday, so bear that in mind. It's going to take us a little bit of time to unload these, scan them into inventory. But if you bought a Rugged Bundle, you should start seeing shipping notifications as late as Thursday, possibly even Friday, if you ordered from DroneWorks. And you'll obviously get a DroneWorks customized case as well with that, which is pretty dope. And yeah, so pretty solid case, fully waterproof. You can lock it so it's secure if you go on an airline or in transit, or if it's in the back of your truck, or if you just don't want your mother-in-law to know how much money you just dropped, or your wife, you can lock your case, because those are all important scenarios. But there you go. The Rugged Bundle case from GPC. Damn, it looks good. So much better than the first version. If you have any questions, I will be in the comments section down below. Hopefully this video gave you a good enough walkthrough of it and what you can expect. And as always, stay original.